Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to edit Betslip on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this web page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on this link. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button to log in. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login credentials. So enter your details on these boxes. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link where it says forgot password to reset it. Now, once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Then you will be logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the sport that you want to bet on. Then click on the match. After that, select your odds. For example, I have selected this odd. Now, I'll just have to enter my stake. So, before placing the bet, you'll have to rethink, and if you want to change your bet slip, all you have to do is click on this clear all button. But once you have successfully placed the bet, there is no way to change your bet slip. All you can do is ask for help. To do so, click on this support button, then click on help. Then click on this contact us button, then click on this link. Now follow this instruction, then where it says click here to launch live chat, click on that link. Once you click on the link, you will get a live support from the Betway team, and then you can ask them to change your bet slip. In that way you can change your bet slip. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time you upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.